What up? This is my third review. I know that part 2 for my last review. Oh yeah. I don't count that as a review because it's the same thing. I just didn't finish it. But sorry, my nose is stuffy. I'm gonna be reviewing Lego set 4, 2, 3, 1. Ambulance. It comes with 3 minifigs, comes with a bike, a helmet, it's gurney, 2 things, and vein. First, let's go on the minifigs. This guy comes with bald hair and glasses. He might look weird, but yeah, see? Nothing on the back, but that. Now let's go on to the doctors. Here comes with him. Not same as the back. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm not reading it, but there's the back. There's the thing right there. That. I think it should have came with the walkie-talkie like the cars. Grainy. Nothing on the bottom. This is a sticker, not a red piece. There's that. Oh, I put a walkie-talkie there and I couldn't find that piece thing in there. It comes with a wheelchair, chair. They should have came with a wheelchair. And inside it comes with a heartbeat thing and the same thing that this one came. Yeah. It comes with a sticker there, but I don't know what it's for. Now let's look at the sidelines. There's a city, and there's that because it's not one. It's oh, it's 4433. Sorry about that. Boom. Nothing on the top. Yeah, that might be pretty cool. Helmet, and that's it. That is for Lego City 4, 1 review. Recommending ratings since parents might also watch this because their son is begging for it. I go with 4.
Something in that empty lot.
4 out of 5. Yeah, so bye. Next review. Size, it wasn't the mining truck or the excavator. But that's because I only had a little bit of time. So bye.